Jai Shri Ram. Samartha Ramdas ji, who is an incarnation of Hanuman and was the guru of Shivaji. Otherwise, Shivaji would have become a sant because he went and fell at the feet of Tukaram. And Tukaram told him, no, Shiva, you are born for something else. Go and meet Samartha Ramdas ji. So, Samartha Ramdas ji guided Shivaji, and the rest is history. Samartha Ramdas ji is an incarnation of Hanuman. And he created the mantra Trayodasha Akshari mantra. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. He chanted this mantra for 12 years and did sadhana. And he had a darshan of Sri Rama, who gave him the name Samartha. And this name Samartha means capable of doing anything and everything and achieve great goals. So this name Samartha was endorsed by the great Santajan of that time. And in his Dasa Bodha, which is his magnum opus, it's a wonderful book, which is a guidebook for all our lives, everything in our life. He says, Ya lagi Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram, Nitya Jape Johe Namto, Purusha Majhi Purushottama, Karma Karma Atito. Which means, whoever chants the Trayodasha Akshari mantra, which is Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram, will be able to effortlessly cross the ocean of samsara and reach Rama. Jai Shri Ram.